Hey there, welcome to our video about Bitcoin. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is decentralized, which means that it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Bitcoin transactions are processed through a technology called blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. This means that every transaction is transparent, secure, and can be tracked. One of the unique features of Bitcoin is that it has a limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever be created, which means that it's a finite resource. This is one of the reasons why Bitcoin has gained popularity as a form of investment. Bitcoin can be bought and sold on various online exchanges, and its value can be highly volatile. Some people view Bitcoin as a potential store of value, while others see it as a speculative asset. So, that's a brief introduction to what Bitcoin is. If you're interested in learning more about Bitcoin, be sure to check out our other videos on this topic. Thanks for watching.